easy go.
Hey guys, what is up? Today I am doing Build-A-Boat with Sea-Dog.
Hey guys.
And maybe Marked Peep.
Marked Peep.
If he wants to join.
I don't know. Marked Peep's coming.
I want to color things.
You want to know what I do know?
What?
I have a sword.
Cool. How did you get a sword? What?
Alright, right here there's one actually. Just click on it.
What does it help you with?
Nothing. Got
it
an
just
egg
looks cool.
from it. I think I got it from an egg, I'm pretty sure.
Where did you
One
get
of my
the
egg videos. In one of my egg videos.
I know, but where did you get the egg?
Somewhere over there.
Oh, it's a sword egg. Oh. Wow. Okay.
Well, do you want to start soon?
Yeah, I gotta put 11 boosters on this really quick.
Alright.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
This thing is so glitchy, literally if you keep on jumping when you're going through chairs, you could just fall through everything. I made it.
Okay, done.
Alright, good. Just looks so weird from there.
Gotta put the button on first. Oh, okay. That works. Okay, start it. Hoo-yah.
Alright. Let's go. Wait a little bit before we use the thrusters.
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
Never mind.
I'm dying! Whoa. I'm making a wheel. I'm dead. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Okay. Boom. Boom.
I'm gonna have to reset. That didn't work.
1, 2. That.
You know what? I have to do this the natural way.
And then switch that around. And
This is how you do something naturally.
That's that. And then if we switch it around.
Like, before you do it, of course.
Huh. That's weird. I'm pretty sure it goes like this. So one more over. Oops. Oh, dang it.
Did anyone say they wanted to fly on me?
No, I don't think anyone said that.
Good.
One, two.
In this game, one thing can hold almost anything. You just have to have the weight perfect.
What is uneven
What?
about this?
I'm gonna hit you. Here are my new arms.
What? No, my circle!
Oh my gosh. Alright, I need to actually get my arms out. How am I, I need some help.
Seriously? I'm making a circle. Watch out. See, you're stuck in my First person. Move
Did I
left.
just fling you?
Wait, I'm doing this wrong. So to fire, I say we need to go like...
You know what? I could actually make a baseball bat.
Can you get out of my builds? You're blowing yourself up?
Alright, I'll try to get out of my builds.
Dude, they're stuck.
Oh my gosh. Alright. There we go. Oh, I wasn't ready. Can I get on? Let me on.
Help me! My circle went wrong.
I died.
Okay. Maybe I messed up a teensy bit. I only messed up a little bit, right?
Yeah. Alright, this is what I'm gonna do this time.
Wait, I don't need that. I forgot. So guys, if you're wondering, this is how you get the chair on your head. Make sure you're facing straight so you build stuff straight.
Yeah,
Boom,
and I'm gonna get a basketball.
boom. And
No, not a basketball.
Chair like that. And then that. Oh gosh, I forgot to turn the anchor block off.
Yeah, you could also make some insanely weird things. If you turn around, you could have a lot of mass on one side, and then you could just hit someone in the face like this.
What? I did not know you could do that. So you can destroy people is what you're telling me.
Yes.
Ready? This. Oh gosh. Give me a sec, I gotta be straight. This is how you fly. Oh gosh, I built myself India. Ah!
Now I have a baseball bat. And if you guys do want to use this, then like and subscribe to his channel, okay?
To my channel?
Yes, not to mine, only to his.
No, to yours. Dude! I feel like now yours is going to get a bunch of subs and not me. Watch out.
Need to have a bigger human baseball bat.
Dude, do you see what I am? Wait, I need to put my astronaut helmet on before I launch. Where's my...
Okay.
There's my helmet piece.
You can also troll a lot of people with this. Sometimes if you put too many things though, it just
build
doesn't really
everywhere
work.
until I get actually one. Done.
Ready? Watch this. We should actually try a human baseball bat at the end of this video and see if it works.
Okay, ready? Go! I didn't... Dude, are you ready? I'm gonna be on yours. I'm gonna start it. Ready,
Okay.
set, start.
Go. I'll
Ah!
human baseball
You
bat
killed
you.
me!
This is just so weird.
I told you, I'm an astronaut.
Alright, I have a better idea.
Vroom. No, I can't. No, I can't stop. I can't stop believing into the people. Jesus, it's a banana. Okay, so what should we talk about while I'm flying to death?
How we're gonna do this again?
Okay then. No, click it! Click! Yes! Oh gosh. Oh, I am so dead. Can I make it through this?
I have a human baseball bat ready. At any time, okay?
Okay. You seriously saved it?
Sorry.
No, I didn't. That
Siri,
would...
bro, my Siri just went off. Ah! Save me! I'm stuck. Whatever. I just want to fly to the top of this mountain and then jump in with the sharks. Hey Siri, should I jump in with the sharks?
I can't answer that.
So you're saying I should? Hey Siri. So should I?
Okay, I found this on the web for July. Check it out.
What? What? Oh yeah, you're right, he was on. Okay, this is what kings live like, right?
Where are you?
I'm just gonna say I'm on a really, halfway stage.
Oh.
That's
I'm ready with the
now.
baseball bat. I'm gonna
I'm
add
jumping
another
with
layer.
the shark. Hey Siri. Oh, I got eaten! Yay! Huh? It just said, "Hey Siri, yee." What? Shut up. Shut up, Siri. Dude, my Siri has gone off like 30 times. What are you doing?
Me?
Yes. No, your twin brother, Joe.
Okay, Joe, he's making an egg. He's making bacon and eggs because he lives on the other side of the earth.
What? Boom. This is how you make a box.
Alright, but me, you need to get in front of me right now. Let's try the human baseball bat.
You're actually going to
Tell
hit
me
me
when
with
you're
that?
ready.
Should I get in a human baseball?
Get in a tiny thing, like a tiny white thing, if you could have it.
What? Oh.
Or you know what? I'll just take you there. Ready?
No, I got no. Done. Okay, hit me.
Turn the water on. Or make it so that we can actually go. Ready? Oh, I can't.
Seriously?
Okay. Wrong thing. Oh my gosh.
What the heck?
Dude, look at this.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. I don't know what just happened, but
Dude, my
literally,
mic is entangled with
that's
like
the
1,000
craziest thing ever.
mics. Why do I even have so many headsets down here? Just sitting here. Unused. All they do is get tangled. Wow, I untangled that well. Oh, that's what happened in my video. Oh, okay. No! No! Whatever. Dang it.
Alright, look at the crazy thing I'm making next.
What is it?
It's a person. He's gonna hold something. And I'm gonna control him. He's holding a big metal bar.
Why isn't he holding a big baseball bat?
So that it will be easier for him to actually hit people. Heh.
Come on, we gotta fly.
I'm gonna do something else, okay?
Delete his
Just
feet
for
so he
little.
can fly fast.
No, I wasn't ready.
Neither was I.
Alright, that was a fail.
There goes Mr. Crab. Dude, he looks so
Okay.
cool.
Alright, I'm just gonna have to die.
Oh, not me.
Well, I died.
Come on.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Well, I guess this is the end of the video. So, I hope you guys have the rest of a good day. And I hope you enjoy.
Before you leave, subscribe to his channel and ring that bell.
Okay. Bye.
Okay, I'm making another baseball bat. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore.